All right, you put the pepper. You put pepper on it, and now you squeeze lemon onto it. You're gonna put all those lemons on it, and then you just let the lemons cook with it.
Yeah, because the broccoli's gonna go in here also.
Are you cooking broccoli on top of it?
So the broccoli can get the lemons flavor too.
It's too hot.
Yeah, get some water out. Right, don't catch the video yet. That's horrible.
No, that's all right. We need to see the steps.
I want you to.
Layla, are you really spitting milk out everywhere right now? What are you doing?
No, what? The salt.
You could add an extra little bit of salt as well. Think it's a little burner? No, that looks kind of good though.
Bottom, you want the bottom to have a little crisp. Just drop food in that flame.
Flip all over. Yummy.